Now, topic particles 는 are used to introduce the topic of the sentence, aka what the action is in the sentence or what the condition is in the sentence. Which means it's used as general statements like fact-of-like statements, something that does not need to be clarified or compared. So in the song that I sing to my daughter, the closing line is 연아는 연아를 사랑해. Like 연아 loves 연아. Another way you can think about it is 나는 나를 사랑해. Like I love myself. And if I'm using the subject particle 가 to say 내가 나를 사랑해, it will sound a little awkward because it will most likely come as a response to another condition. Something like, in order to be happy, I must love myself. And in Korean, that would be 행복해지려면 내가 나를 사랑해야 된다. And there are a lot more things to talk about, but this is one of the most important things. And if you'd like to know more about it, get my study guides or flashcards that contain all of these digital study guides, plus a live Zoom session now that's going to start in August. So check out my website when you have free time if you're interested. 감사합니다.